Lahat naman tayo ay may kinakatakutan. At isa na marahil ay kamatayan. Takot tayong mamatay. Marahil dahil ayaw nating maiwan ang mga mahal natin sa buhay, o kaya naman hindi pa tayo handa. O hindi kasi natin alam kung anong naghihintay sa atin pagkatapos natin mawala sa mundong ito. Kaya maganda yung tanong sa atin ngayon, why must we pray for a holy death? The church encourages us to prepare ourselves for the hour of our death. In the Litany of the Saints, for instance, she has us pray, from us or from a sudden and unforeseen death, deliver us, O Lord. To ask the Mother of God to intercede for us at the hour of our death in the Hail Mary, and to entrust ourselves to Saint Joseph, the patron of a happy death. Hindi natin alam kung kailan, papaano, saan tayo mamamatay. Pero alam natin na mamamatay tayo. Kaya naman pinagdadasal natin na mamatay tayong banal upang tayo makapasok sa kaharian ng Diyos. Kaya yun ang hamon lagi sa atin, araw-araw. Isabuhay natin ang kalooban ng Diyos upang nasa state of grace tayo. Kaya kung dumating yung araw at oras na iyon, nasa state of grace tayo. At dahil dito, makakamit natin ang buhay na walang hanggan. It is only because Christ died and rose again that we can speak of a happy death. Christ conquered death through His own death and resurrection. And you were buried with Him in baptism, in which you were also raised with Him through faith in the working of God who raised Him from the dead. Let us practice the formula of Saint Joseph, the patron of a happy death, by living a life of loving service to God and others, with the names of Jesus and Mary often on our lips, especially at the hour of our death.
If you have any other questions, you may send them anonymously by clicking the link on this post. Thank you.